Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Anita, and I'm coming at you today with a new pen day. Let's get into it. Well, we're friends, so I can tell y'all, it's been a busy Saturday. It's Saturday, December 13th, as I'm filming. And I was going to do very, very little today and just film a bunch of videos for y'all tomorrow. And then I could edit them and upload them. And because I just love sharing all my pen stuff with you. Y'all are my pen friends. I don't bore anybody I see with pen stuff. I talk to you all because you all are my people. Well, I was going to kind of just casually just organize my pen things, like make sure all the pens that I was cleaning are cleaned and make sure my pen journals are up to date with the inks, kind of boring, but I like it stuff. And I remembered that my Atlas order came in and I wanted to see at least one of the pens. So that's what we're doing. And I had to bring y'all with me because you only have a first impression once. So I'm going to unbox the Benu. I don't remember which Benu I got. I know what it looks like, but I don't know the name. So let's see what it is called. It is the Benu Euphoria in the Golden Beach model. It's a limited edition. And of course, in the box was included one of Atlas's cards, which looked like this. I don't know where I stuck it. Oh, here it is. So now I have two of these. I like using these for blotters, and then, they're pretty. So I have a collection of Atlas cards with their thank yous on the back. And let's open the Benu. Let's not be harsh with the bubble wrap. And see what's happening. I wanted to have a lazy day, but I wanted to open a pen. I don't want to open all of them. I don't feel like that, but I wanted to open at least one and just be excited about a new pen. I haven't really picked up a new pen that wasn't a TWSBI in, I don't know, I guess a few months or something. So I'm excited for this one. I wanted this a while ago, but it was out of stock, or the nib size I was leaning toward was out of stock. I don't remember, but I couldn't get it if I wanted the nib size I wanted. You know what I mean. So let's get into it. I like their packaging. It's very minimal. Lovely gold foiled box with pens on it. Can you see it? It's very cute. I like the artwork. Very cute. And then I've got this little, I don't know, I call it an envelope. Also comes with, I was just ready to open it. You see I'm excited, right? Comes with a cartridge and instructions on how to operate your new pen. I like the little confetti in there, or shreds, I don't know. It's fun. I'll never see it again. I'll put the box away and forget about it. Keeping it real, y'all. Okay. Let's see what we got. If I can get it out. Oh, it's a gorgeous day in Georgia today. It was so pretty. And now the sun is setting. Look at it. Look at this. Oh, this is pretty. It's kind of like the color of coffee with milk. And then there's gold foil. The finial is clear with gold foil in it. This is so pretty. Can you see it? Make sure I'm not too close. Oh, this is really pretty. I picked this up during the Black Friday, Cyber Monday event. And it's got a medium Schmidt nib. So pretty. Oh my gosh. This is lovely. I'm so excited. I'm glad I picked this one. I have like two other pens. One I bought for color and the other I bought to try something different from a brand I only own one pen. So if you've seen any of my collection videos, well, the most recent, you will have a clue of what I'm speaking. Okay, let's just move this out of the way. Oh, wow, this is such a pretty pen. Benu knows how to put together a reasonably priced, exotic looking pen. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay. Just taking a moment. I'm so excited for this pen. Okay. Let's just compare it in size to a couple of other pens in my collection so you can have an idea of the scale of size if Benu is new to you or if the Euphoria model is new to you. What do I have around? I've got a TWSBI Eco T in the color Rosso. Just put that there. Oh, this pen is a cartridge converter pen. We'll get into that in a second. What else do I have? Ah, the pen I was looking for previously. I love this pen. The Franklin Christoph Model 2. This is a Van Ness Pen Shop exclusive from 2024. Here's another Benu that I picked up a few months ago. So cute. Oh my goodness. I need to drink this. I have a Monster here to help me kind of get up for the pen stuff. I said it was going to be a lazy day, but I'm really excited to get my pen life together. It's a little bit chaotic. Okay, what else have we got? A Jinhao 20. And one more. A Pilot Kakuno. So you can just see how the Benu measures up against these others. Brain farted on this model. I'll have it on the screen right here. I don't know. My mind is just, I don't know. It's cool. I'm feeling pretty good, but my brain is not working on all cylinders. But I still wanted to film this so y'all can see my new pen. Look at this. What a sight. Benu and their pens. I'm just saying. So pretty. Anyway, let's uncap the pens so you can see how the Benu measures up when the pens are uncapped. And here they are uncapped. I lined up the grip sections. Oh, I don't have any pointing objects. Oh, well, I'll use well, that's not very helpful. I was going to use a glass spoon, but that's not it. We'll just use my craft knife. Anyway, as you can see, the Benu is the longest of all the pens, which is kind of wild. The talisman. This is a talisman. It came back. This is a talisman here. The new pen is the Euphoria model. I do believe it's their largest model. And it's very long. I love the length of it, but I like the talisman too, but I just like the Euphoria. There's just, I don't know, it's like having a larger canvas on which to create whatever it is you want to make. And I just like the size, but I still like the talisman. But anyway, we're not here for the talisman. We're here for the Euphoria. So you can see it's the longest. It has got, it looks like a number 6 size nib. Oh, I cannot wait to try that. I cannot wait to, am I going to ink it? No, I'm just going to dip test it. But anyway, you can see it's definitely the largest of the pens. The TWSBI is on the long side, but that's because it is a piston filler and you need room for that piston knob. And the actual pen body minus the piston knob is, rather on the short side. But you know what? It's okay. We do have the piston and it counts. The retractable pen, the Jinhao 20, I just lined it up where you'd start writing with the end of the nib. And yeah, this is how they measure up uncapped. Just you can have an idea if you think the length is something that you would like. I will tell you though, typically, I'm not gonna do the twisting, am I? Yeah, I'll do it. Let's see how many turns to uncap. It's a lot. So if you need a quick jotter, Benu is not your one. This is good if you want to write quickly because it's retractable. The Jinhao 20, which is a shameless dupe of the Pilot Vanishing Point. So feel free to pick up one of those if you really want to have a wonderful writer. I have not picked one up yet, but I am going to. So let's show how many turns to uncap this beautiful pen. And then I'm going to give her a quick bath and we're going to dip test her. So here we go. 1, 2, 2 3/4 turns to uncap. So if you got to hustle and write, no, this is not the pen for that. This is the pen where you want everyone to see you uncapping your pen. Wow, that's a pretty pen. I know, right? It's really pretty. It's the Benu Euphoria. Anyway, I'm being silly. Let's go. I'm going to give her a bath, a quick rinse, and then we're going to do a dip test and see what it's like to write with this. And I think she will be appearing in my Currently Inked in January. Shh. Let's go. All right. Now, as I had mentioned before, just in case anyone watching is new to fountain pens, if you pick up one of these, it does come with an ink cartridge. Looks like blue ink. I've heard it's very good. Wonderful blue. I haven't used a cartridge yet because I have lots of bottles. Oh, so many. Anyway, here's what she looks like under the hood. Comes with a branded Schmidt converter, which I believe screws out. No, it's a push converter. And yes, we're going to dip test. This is can you see that? It's a very pretty nib. We're gonna give her a dip test in some Waterman inspired blue. One of my favorites for like a nice, safe, trouble-free ink. Oh boy. Yeah, I'm getting lazy. The monster hasn't kicked in, so I think I should retire to the couch. Excuse me. All right, let's grab a page in the book. I love this ink. It is just a beautiful turquoise. Oh, I love turquoise. One of my favorite colors. I'll just dip the nib. I didn't want to get it over the book because I have just the worst luck. But just want to make sure I get the feed nice and wet. And wipe that off. Such a pretty pen. I was so indecisive. I didn't know what I wanted. This pen can post, but it's super long and it's back heavy, and you don't really need to write with it posted because it's so long. So you know what for. But you can post it. It's back heavy. All right. So today is December 13th, 2025. I like it. New pen day. I love this ink. I haven't used it in a while. I was on a roll with Waterman inspired blue. I mean, I was just using it all the time. I like to do when I get a new pen, I do like to test with this, but I was just like writing with it all the time. I have like less than half a bottle. I love it though. It's so pretty. Okay, this is a Benu Euphoria. It's got a medium nib. And the model, again, is called, because my brain is so broken, Golden Beach. So pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't know what ink is going in this pen, but it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Do y'all like it? Is it something you think you like? I don't know. Benus are very flashy. I remember when I first saw Benu pens, when I first really got into fountain pens. I guess it's about, it's over 2 years ago now. The Benus were just, they felt like a lot to me. They were just so bold. And I'm not bold like that. But in time, I felt myself warming up. And then fortunately for me, Goldspot reached out and sent me a pen for review, and I'm hooked. I love Benu pens. I just love their lovely wet writers. If you like a wetter writing experience, try a Benu. They have pens at all different price points. They have these cute little ones called Pixies. The Briolette is bigger than the Pixie. Then there's the Talisman, which is, where did it go? Oh no, where did I put the pens, y'all? I don't know what I do with the pens. I told you my mind is going. I think I put it away. Anyway, let me grab it real quick. The Talisman is, I stepped down in size from the Euphoria. I think the Euphoria is the biggest. I may be leaving out a model, but those were to me, they're the core models. Anyway, I love this. This is beautiful too, but we're not talking about that one today. We're talking about this one. And this was wonderful. Thank you so much for joining me in my new pen day joy. I love this pen. It's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, anyway, enough yapping. There will be more new pen day videos forthcoming, as well as my top hits of 2025. So please be subscribed so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. You will know all about it. Thanks so much for coming back for another one, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.